Yo, stocks 5150. Today is June 7th, 2026, and the time is 9:07:97. I ain't gonna stay on here long. I did one long and we got 464 for the day. Let's go. Let's go. That being said, let's go over to the September contract. We screwed the pooch on that one. We was down $3,000. Now we're at $1,600. So we coming up. So far today, we're at 725 on the 726 on the day. Um, and we can get the account bounce and come up hit this 200. My order is a long swing just in case something crazy happens, like a super duper spike overnight. I got it for 30,478. Not really trying to be too greedy, but that is being greedy. So that's technically up here at the beginning of the move. But who knows what might happen overnight. More than likely we'll come here and then we'll see what happens during the day. If we can get back here and they trap all these shorts down here, or or because Sox was going up, it's at 193, was at 177, or um we run back up and come up to like 30,184, and then come on during the day we come up, trap some more bulls up here, short them up back down again for Tuesday and Wednesday off the data, you know, drop it back down again, and then do a short squeeze. We could do a short squeeze tomorrow. Boom, freeze them out. Run up here, get that, and then the bulls will be back in line, and then boom, catch them off side again with the data. Who knows? Um, chlorine. Uh, crude oil is at 92. Soxal is at 194. What else we got going on? Nvidia is at 208. Tesla's at 396. Amazon's at 247. And SPY is at 739. QQQ is at 710. Bitcoin's at 63. 63,000. Coming down. Look at that. All right. So, like I said, looking for an overnight move up to the upside. If we wake up in the morning, God's will, and we're here and we're green, say at 30,400, I won't lie and say I won't close out because that'd be pretty good actually. If I wake up at 30,400, what is 30,400? Let's see. Uh, 30,400 is 30,400 would be is feasible, and that'll be 1,900. That'd be 2,000. I mean, I could close that off and put it at 30,400 just for the overnight. And that'd be two. Which what would that do? Would that break me even? Uh, because we had to mark the market on this on Friday, which was what was it? It was that mark the market was heavy. 23. Put you back even. But I'll leave it on. Like I said, if I wake up and we're at that, but if we get what we got, how did they get 30,400? Did I put that order in there? I didn't. What is up with this? I'm not sure what's going on with Tasty Trade, man. Just because I stop on something, it's like putting it there. Maybe I should leave it there. You think? Is that the trading gods talking to me to put it right here, 30,400? All right, fair enough. What is 30,400? Y'all witnessed it. Y'all saw it. I didn't even have that order there. It just magically. up here. So we'll do 30,420. All right. That's what we'll do for overnight. 30,419. See if we get it. Uh, that'll give us a profit of two, and that kind of breaks almost even because we had 23 on that, and we'll see what happens. Um, like I said for flossing, for the June contract, we're not in anything, so the market is we're done for that. We got 400 on the day. We're gonna stay right there, keep that going. Yeah. Now I could go and get in there, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait and see what happens for tomorrow. Like I could trade, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go to bed. No need in doing nothing crazy. Like that worked out. Boom, it came up, it hit. Got 400. Call it a day. $40 a day, remember? And technically, even though, even though uh, we're down on this contract, we're at 600, 700 on the day. So I could close this out and call this a win and be like, I got 700 on the day. But that's not what we're gonna do. We're trying to get it, you know. Volume is light overnight. Time is 2100, which is 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Hong Kong's about to open. Tokyo is open right now, but I'll probably want to pull back. But maybe we'll get a pull. Maybe we'll get a bounce off of the. This is on the 15 minute. We get a bounce off this five, off this EMA, and push on up past the 48 and take it on up. Get that money, yo. That's the goal. All right, stocks 5150. I'm gonna go to sleep. Hopefully this works out. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this works out. It's retracing now though. So this could be the dead cat bounce. Like that actually, that's interesting too. That move could be the dead cat bounce. Could be just that right there and then boom and now we just drop down, crash out some more. So part of me is like I should just close this out right and trade that prop that money back. Like take that right there as the profit for today. Well, but you was at 700 earlier, so he didn't do that. Or just hold on. I'm gonna just hold on because I already resigned myself to losing three on this, and I'll just get it back, trade back. We're gonna trade better, and days off. We got some days off coming up. We can be focused. You know what I'm saying? Be focused. Cause don't trade while we're at work. That's why we in this position I'm in now. Cause I entered the trade while I was at work. Man, I wasn't paying attention. Water bill is $30. Oh, that's not my water. That's my mama's water, I think. My mama's water. I don't know if that's my water or not. No. Yeah, my water's $30. Why is my water bill high? Oh, I washed the car. Damn, that's crazy. All right, let's push, yo. Come on. Bounce off the 14. And we've been doing good for the past hour or so, 2 hours, 3 hours. Pull back, boom, we bounce. Let's see what Pasha talking about. He's talking about going to eight. He's saving loans since 893. All right, anyway, that was my update for today, man. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna leave this trade on overnight, and that's always risky, but whatever, yeah. Stocks 5150. We are out. We did get 400 on our current contract though, so that's a plus. We'll probably trade just a little bit before I go to bed.